Hello and welcome to Triple A Tips. Here we share powerful graphic design secrets to help you create, inspire, and stand out. Stick around because today's tip is a game changer. Alright guys, so welcome once again for another wonderful tips here, which I'm going to show you how we could actually get this logo design here with a very few simple steps. Alright, so without much time wasted, let's get started. Alright, so first let's try to minimize this to this side here. All right, let's put it somewhere here so we could actually reference to it. Okay, all right, so to begin we need to actually draw 6 lines, okay, with about 4 or 5 circles. Okay, all right, so just for the start, what we need to do, we need a freehand tool to draw our lines. So either you can go by F5 to pick it, or we'll go on the toolbox here so you could actually know exactly where they are. So once you just come here, this very one here is what we call the freehand tool, which we actually use it to draw curves and straight lines segment. Okay, so once I just click, what I need to do here is I just have to draw a straight line. So once you just click, you see that you'll be having this swinging line here. Hold down your shift key for a straight line. Okay, then you click at the end of it to get this particular straight line here. All right, okay, so let me just extend it a little bit by holding down my shift key, hold down my mouse and drag it down. All right, okay, now what we need to do here, we need to duplicate this line here 6 times. So what you need to do here, put your mouse cursor here, click and hold your mouse and hold down your control key whilst you drag to this extent. Okay, to this extent, then you right click to duplicate. Then after clicking to duplicate, you use the shortcut key, which is Control D, to duplicate the rest of the 4 lines. So Control plus D, that's 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we just need 6 lines. Okay, so select everything, right click, and go to group. Then you press P to what? Place this object here in the center of your page. Now we need to duplicate this one and rotate it. Okay, so what you need to do here, go to edit, then click on copy, then go to edit again and click on paste. Now we have what? Duplicated it. Now click in the middle here. It will just give you these rotation angles here. Now what you need to do here, click at the top here, hold down your control key whilst you rotate it to get this form. Okay, then you right click to duplicate. So this is actually what we want. Now we have to what? Focus at the center here because that's where all the magic is about to happen. Okay, so first we need to draw a circle. So we go in and pick this, our ellipse tool. You click, then we come into the center of it, hold down your shift and control key whilst you click and drag to draw this circle for you. Don't worry if it doesn't fit, just let it go. Go in for your pick tool, click on this angle here and drag. It's actually going to fit. Then press P to make sure that it falls into the middle. So I'll just give the outline here a red color. So by right clicking on any color here, I've actually what? Giving it a red color. So what I need to do here, I just to make sure that this circle actually overlaps it a little bit. You see, it should actually fall on the line. Okay, so that maybe when we are doing it and we need any curve is going to work the way we want it. Okay, so it's very, very important. All right, so now let's make sure that everything falls in very nicely. Okay, good. Now from here, what we need to do, if you look here, we need another circle in the middle. So you put your mouse cursor here, hold down your shift key, it will turn to this kind of mouse here, click and drag it inside, okay, to this side. Then you right click to duplicate. So this is what we want. Okay, all right, good. So let's check if this one is overlap. I think it's well overlap. Okay, good. Now we need to draw another circle from this side to the center here. So go in for your ellipse tool, then put your mouse cursor here and drag. Hold down your control key whilst you just click. Okay, so this is actually how it's going to be. Just let it go, then give it a red outline, then select this one with this one and press C. No, and press E. So this is actually how it's going to be. Okay, this is how it's going to be. All right. Then after that, select this particular circle here. Hold down your shift key and minimize it inside till the time it flash with this border line here. Okay, like this. Then you let it go, or you right click to duplicate. Okay, so now let's give it a green outline so that we will just make sure that it what overlaps very well. And as we can see, indeed it is. Okay, so what we need to do here is let's change it to red. All right, now with this line here, okay, this very one here, click it to have this handle here. Then what we need to do here is we can what rotate it. So we can rotate it this side. All right, you can make it you see this rotation, and you could see it. So let's make it about 300. Okay, I think 300 is not good, so let's undo. I think this is okay for me based on what we just want to achieve. Okay, all right, good. Now let's bring this one here for guidance sake. Okay, so now let me just align it so we all could actually understand how things are going to be. Okay, now first thing we need to do here is we just have to go in for this tool. It's called the virtual segment delete tool. Okay, first let me select this one because that is not the motive here. Okay, so I just put it here for a reference sake. Okay, so click and go in for this particular tool here. Now what we need to do here first, we just have to start with this side. Okay, so what we need to do is try to clear. Let's clear. Oh, okay, it have cleared everything. Let's just click so it doesn't give us much headache. Okay, all right, so we clear everything. We come all the way here, we clear everything here. That's okay. All right, so from here we begin to clear. Okay, then we clear this one. Then let's clear this one inside a little bit so we could have that curve. Okay, so let's clear this one also. Now we need to clear everything here. Let's make sure that we do the due diligence. Okay, whilst we are doing it, we need this side to be clear, so I think we don't need this one as well. All right, let's try to clear these particular lines here. Okay, good, it works for me. All right, so but with the lines that you are seeing here actually means that we don't need this one, so we could let this one go. It should be straight, then this one will be curved. All right, so now we delete these ones. We delete it. Let's zoom it big to do. Let's zoom it a little bit. Sorry, I don't want that one to be deleted. Let's make sure that it's no. We'll come back to it when we are done. Okay, so let's just clear this one. Let's clear this too. No, it have cleared the whole line. We don't want it. Okay, that's good. So we clear and we clear. So this one is all about clearing. Okay, we clear this side. Let's undo. I don't want to remove the lines because I just want to make sure that I've just gotten everything very well. So the lines that I don't want, I can actually get rid of it. Okay, so let's do this one also. All right, so with here we need to come all the way here, so we need it to be curved. But the issue here is we don't. Let me just undo. I think I've mixed some mess here. Is it really a mess? Let's try to undo. Let's undo a few more times. Yes, I'll do some mess here. This one actually I've cleared the whole thing, which it shouldn't be so. Okay, so in this case, if you actually know what you are doing, once you create a mess, you know it, because you notice that your shape actually is not what falling in line. So quickly you just have to undo, then you what revise it very well. Okay, so that we could get everything back there very well. So let me see. Okay, let me see this line where it is going. It means that I need the line very well. I need it. So what we need to do, let's zoom it big so we could actually get rid of it. If it's giving us issue, we'll leave it, but now it's gone. Okay, all right, so here you will clear this one. We clear this, we clear this, we clear this, we clear this one, and what we do, we will clear this here, leaving this side. Okay, so we'll clear everything here. All right, so now let's clear the lines that we have here, which is very important. Let's get rid of it so that we will not have bumps in it. So we have the curve here very well. Okay, so now what we need to do here, let's try to curve this, delete this line. Let me see where it is. Okay, that's cool. No, I still need it. So what we need to do, let's zoom it big. Okay, let's zoom it big and try to delete it. Okay, good, it's gone. Let's try with this one also. If it's going to prove stubborn, then you have to zoom it big so you could actually see. So with this one, we have forgot with this one, we get rid of it. And with here also, we just have to get rid of this one. Okay, just to give us that kind of this thing that we want. But as you can see, let me see, I think we have actually messed up. No, there's no mess up here. All what you need to do, we need to get rid of this line. Okay, so we could actually get that straight thing here. Okay, so this is actually how finally you are just going to get everything. Okay, so with here, I don't want here to be that curve, I just want it to be straight. So I'll just get rid of these ones, everything, so it will just be straight like that. Okay, all right, then from here, what we need to do here is come all the way here, click and hold, and just select the smart fill. Then come inside here and just give it a click once. It will fill out for you, okay, by giving us the exact shape that we want. So let's put this one here. Let's right click on this and cut it. Then let's pull this one all the way here. Okay, which is Control V to paste. Then hold down your shift key whilst we click and drag to enlarge it. Okay, so now you can tell everything here looks okay. But when you look at this side here, we haven't removed something there very good. So what we need to do, pick this tool, it's called a shape tool. Select everything from here and hit on delete. It will actually correct that mistake over there, so we could actually have it more curved the way we want it. Okay guys, all right, so now what we need to do here is first let's remove the outline. Let's remove the outline by just right clicking. We have remove the outline. Now let's come all the way down here, click and hold and pick this tool. It's called the interactive fill tool. Just click on it, then drag from the top to, and I'm just going to give it a fill. So this tool actually allows you to select two particular fill. Okay, so that's it. P to center, shift F4 to bring everything to the page. So I can delete this one because we are done with that one. I can delete this, but you know, when you are doing it, please don't duplicate this one. I think it's a mistake that I did, because this is actually how it should be. Okay, once you finish drawing the lines and everything and getting your circle in and everything, you just click, then you rotate it. Don't duplicate it. Okay, I think that escaped me, but duplicating it also haven't messed up what we did. Okay, all right, so I'll just get rid of this one and to height. And guys, this brings us end to this episode. Thanks for watching AAA Tips. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design secrets. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and see you in the next video.